CONQUER program, we discuss how the things are changing. Most important is previous year question paper analysis. It will not only give you the kind of question that is being asked, but also it will give you the important themes. How much current affairs is exactly that you will supposed to understand, and that you will understand through this program. We also discuss about how to simplify CSAT. I cannot emphasize more than this because the CSAT has become a nightmare for many. This program is not a program where we teach for 2 months and then we don't have any relationship between us. It is like after those 2 months we will always be in touch with you. You will always be in touch with us.